Okay, this is the elevator at JCPenney, Riverchase, Galleria, Hoover, Alabama. I happen to like this thing a lot. We've got ourselves a perfectly original Montgomery A series, save for that indicator, but I'll live. And that lantern. Again, I'll live. And when I mean original, I mean original. Take a listen. One. You can feel in this controller like how they were starting to move over to like the type of controller that Vector used. You can kind of feel it in this controller, just by the way it runs. Anyway, that'll do it.